Hi everybody, Nicholas here, and today I'll be showing you how to create a WordPress website using Dreamhost. Dreamhost is my host of choice. I've been using it for a couple years now and I'm really happy with the service that they provide. So let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to sign up for Dreamhost and log in. Great, and now we need to create a domain so we can install our WordPress website on it. So I have a couple domains registered, so I'll just add it as a subdomain instead of registering a brand new domain. So let's just go right ahead, add a subdomain. We're going to call this blog1.bridgemohan.com. So I already own the domain bridgemohan.com, so we could just leave that as it is. Do you want to add the www in the URL? Yes, we'd like to. Run this domain under the user. So you can choose an existing user or you can have a new user created. I'm just going to have a new user created. This is for things like FTP and logging into the server itself, so you can make changes. With WordPress, it isn't really that necessary, so we could just leave the default settings. Right, PHP mode, we leave that to the default. We will select HTTPS so we can have SSL enabled by Let's Encrypt, which is completely free, which is awesome. And then that's pretty much it. Fully host this domain. All right, this should just take a couple seconds to load, and there you go. bridgemohan.com has been added to our hosting system. You will want to take note of this password here and this username here so you can securely log in into FTP. Great, so we finished that and now we are ready to do a one-click install. So under domains, click on one-click installs, and then we are going to select WordPress. I'm going to select the domain that we just created, automatically create the database, and install for me now. So this is going to take 10 minutes and it's going to send us an email with our login credentials in just a moment. So I'll check back with you in a couple minutes. All right, so a couple minutes went by and now we are ready to check out our new WordPress website. The Dreamhost robot would have sent us an email with a login link, which basically handles the entire process of logging in and so forth. So let's just paste that link in here, and with this link we can go right ahead and create a new password, and that's it. We've just created our brand new WordPress instance. I just forgot to save the password, but it doesn't matter because I'm going to delete this domain right now, but you get the gist of it. So that's how easy it is to install WordPress using Dreamhost, and I'm pretty sure you can take it from here. All right, in future videos I will look at some WordPress tutorials. I will do something like I don't know, maybe suggested plugins, configuring your WordPress website, themes, and so on. So look out for more WordPress videos in the future. Anyway, thank you very much for watching and do enjoy the rest of the video.